Hey, Clint from 50 Campfires, and one piece of gear I've been having a lot of fun with this summer is this pop-up pit from Fireside Outdoor. Primarily how versatile this thing is. So it's 2x2, so you get a pretty good sized bonfire going in this, but then you can let that burn down a little bit, and they have a grate that you can throw on there, and we made some brats earlier, so it's really easy to kind of go back and forth between cooking, ramping it up for a bonfire, and you can bring it just about anywhere. There's a heat shield on the bottom here, and there's absolutely nothing underneath that. So you can use it out on the snow, you could put it right on your yard, it's not going to scorch the yard at all. Weighs 7.8 pounds, so it's extremely portable. It comes in a very small pack. And like I said, we've brought it just about everywhere this summer. If you like to have fires, like to grab a bite when you're out and about as well, definitely take a look at the pop-up pit from Fireside Outdoor.